guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So we are going back to our YouTube roots, old-fashioned, old-school tutorial style, get ready with me video. So Brandon and I are going for a date night tonight. Beautiful restaurant, like really fancy. I'm so excited. Oh, I shouldn't film this video without my rings on. Hold that thought. Hang on. That's better. So I've been training really hard at the gym, so I take them off every morning to go to the gym. Don't worry. Everything is perfect. But as I was saying, really nice fancy date night, and I thought it would be fun to do a outfit and makeup kind of get ready with me style video. I'm really excited. I just, you know, this is used to be what YouTube was all about, and I feel like we need to get back to that somehow. But it makes sense to me to pick the outfit first and then theme the makeup around the outfit. So come with me to my bedroom. Let's go pick an outfit for tonight. And it's going to be a secret. I'm not actually going to tell Brandon. I'm going to present myself down the stairs to him when we're ready to leave. And then we'll do the makeup and then try and figure out something to do with my hair. I mean, I may leave my hair because Brandon does love it like this. He's a cutie, but yeah. Come with me, let's go pick an outfit, and then we'll come back and we'll do the makeup. Okay guys, quick little detour. We're in my bedroom now because it makes sense to me if we choose the outfit before we do the hair and the makeup. And I'm so excited, and I literally, even though I've been doing this for such a long time and I've been here on YouTube for such a long time, it still blows my mind that people want to send me things. And oh my God, Lily Silk, and you guys know how obsessed I am with Lily Silk. They've sent me some outfits to wear for our date night tonight. I'm just like, oh, thank you so much. So you guys will have heard me talk about Lily Silk before in plenty of videos because a lot of the time I talk about their silk pillowcases. Literally a game changer, will change your skin, will change your hair, absolutely amazing. And you guys have also heard me talk about their silk pajamas. Like I dressed all of my bridesmaids for our wedding in their silk pajamas. Some of you will have seen me talk about some of their clothing on Instagram, like I love their blazers and their dresses and everything. But Lily Silk offers like literally a full range of clothing, and they're really, like, silk is so much better for your skin. It's hypoallergenic and it's just really good quality. Will last you for years. There's this whole thing happening at the minute with fast fashion, and it's just, there's no point in buying something that you're only going to wear 1 or 2 times, throw it out, it goes into landfill, it's bad for the environment. Silk pieces are more like investment pieces, like really beautiful staples, basics, things that you're just going to continue wearing for years and years and years and years. Everything from Lily Silk is super high quality. It's loved by so many amazing celebrities, and it's actually quite affordable, which is sort of like a bit like, I know a lot of people think, oh, silk, like there's no way I'll be able to afford it. Lily Silk actually makes it really affordable. And I also know a lot of you who follow me are super passionate about like no waste, zero waste and everything. Lily Silk is actually a completely zero waste company. They are working with TerraCycle. They do offer beautiful gift packaging for the holidays. This is like their gift pack option. They do also have like little envelope options as well if you're wanting something that's completely zero waste. And they did want me to let you guys know that they are having massive sales over the Black Friday period, and they've also given me a coupon code. So if you are interested in any of the clothes I'm going to show you, or you want to try the silk pillowcases or the pajamas or anything, you can use the code Nikkia12 to get an extra 12% off your order. So, you know, on top of the sales that they're going to be having. So yay, they've sent me so much. Oh, I'm so excited to try these. I've got 2 outfit options here to show you. Because it's a date night, I want to go like sexy. I want to go like black silk or red silk or just something really nice. And then we'll choose some jewelry out as well. And can you guys please let me know in the comments which option is your favorite? I'm a Libran. I'm really bad at making decisions, okay? Okay, first option, you guys, all black. And honestly, oh, this is so gorgeous. So this skirt's got like a little slit up the side, and it's really like flattering. It kind of like flares out at the bottom. And I've got it with this cami top. I sort of like, I feel like I need to tuck in a little. Oh, and you guys, she did a black lace bra because we know Brandon will enjoy that. So option number 1, honestly, I love it. I think it's so pretty. It's so like timeless. This skirt you could literally pair with anything. Oh, let me show you with the coat. Hang on. Oh my God. Screaming, dying, gagging, obsessed. And like, look at this fabric. It is just, once you wear silk, like I'm not even kidding. You never want to go back. I'm sold. This dress. I have to choose it. It's amazing. Look at this insane red silk dress. You guys, this fabric, I literally look like a Christmas decoration. It is absolutely incredible. Look at the shimmer of it. Oh, and it's so incredibly soft. I love this little cowl neck detail, and I think Brandon's gonna love that too. This one also has a cute little split in the leg, and I've put some heels on. I'm gonna take myself down the stairs once I'm all ready and surprise Brandon, but I think he will like this. I think we're onto something. Seriously, Lily Silk, you guys kill me every time. Like, your stuff is so nice. And they are investment pieces, like I said, but you'll have them for years and years and years. You just, oh, they feel so good. Okay, guys, it's the red dress. She's chosen it. She's done it. I can't not. I mean, red silk and date night. Like, I feel like the two belong together, right? So jewelry-wise, I've just picked these really pretty... quite simple. It's like a double pendant chain with like these cute little like straight pendants on the bottom. Really pretty, but I'm not sold on the earrings. I thought maybe something dangly, but is this too much? Is this too much going on? Oh, I wish this was live so you guys could let me know like yay or nay. You know what? Let's hold the earrings till later. Let's do the makeup, and then once we're all done and once we're all ready, then maybe we can make a decision about the earrings. The necklaces I know, like the necklaces are sold. So for the skin, I've already prepped my skin with my usual skincare routine, but first I'm going to be priming. Obviously, you know, we want the makeup to last all night. Need to prime, need everything to last, need everything to look perfect. I'm using our NJC matte base primer, of course. You guys are welcome to use whatever primer makes you happy. For date night foundation, it has to be the Hourglass Ambient. I am obsessed with this on the skin. It's literally like a liquid filter, and it makes everything look really, really perfect, but it still lasts really well on the skin, so you don't have to worry about your face like melting off or anything. I would call this one more of like a medium coverage foundation. If you are wanting like a full coverage, like if you're needing to cover up a lot of redness or breakouts or anything, you will need to use a concealer with it. It is more of a medium coverage, but it's just like, look at how perfect it makes your skin look. It is just so flattering, and it stays looking like this as well. So yeah, I'm going to do a thin layer of this, and then we might do the eyes and then actually come back to the skin after. I'm thinking like cream contouring and stuff today. Why not? You know, for a date night, we might as well go all out, right? Here she is all blended. Seriously, look how pretty it is on the skin. And I just feel like this foundation, like, doesn't get the love or the hype that it honestly deserves. And it's available here in Australia now. I feel like last time I was raving on about it, it wasn't actually available here in Australia. You can get this at Mecca now. It is just, I am going to restock and restock and restock. It is beautiful. Now for the eyes, I'm thinking I'm going to use my Sigma Warm Neutrals palette. I have been really, really enjoying this one lately, and it's got some really pretty pinky red berry tones in it, which are going to work really well with this gorgeous red dress. So first, taking a blending brush, I'm going to go into this sort of light medium. This is hilarious. This is actually one of our original samples when I was developing the brushes for our brand. Hilarious. And I even stuck like, because I was like gold logo, silver logo, tossed up and down with that so much. And I stuck it on with a sticker. I'm really sentimental about things like that, and I actually hold on to them. But I'm going to put this one through the crease first, just to sort of give us a bit of a base to work with. And then we're going to start smoking it up with that chocolatey brown. These shadows are really creamy and blend really well. This is another product that I feel like doesn't get enough love. Sigma makes really, really nice eyeshadows. They honestly do. Now to go a little bit deeper, I'm going to take this. It's like a warm tone matte brown. I'm going to pack that in the outer corner of my eye. Just first packing, and then I'll come back and blend. Probably not going to get too much darker with this. But then once we've got the black eyeliner on, I might really smoke that out, smudge that out with like a bit of red. Just smoking them out. And then with the flat brush, also packing that brown across the lid. I'm not carrying it up any further than the crease. It just gives you like a really easy smoky eye. I'm just going to smoke a tiny little bit of that underneath the lash line as well, the lower lash line. I mean, I still have to put concealer on, so we may lose part of this, but I just want to see kind of how smoky I want to take things. For eyeliner, I'm going the Too Faced Better Than Sex. I mean, appropriate for tonight. And what I want to do is actually like a little mini wing. So basically to do this, I'm not taking the eyeliner any further than the pupil. I don't want to like line the inner corner. I want it to really just start sort of right in the middle of the eye and then drag it out. This helps to give the eyes that really beautiful elongated cat sort of a shape. But I'm going to take it into a little wing there as well. See that there? It elongates, but it doesn't overcrowd like the inner part of your eye, so it will help your eyes look bigger. It's just a really like sexy way to do your eyeliner. And then I'm going to pop on like outer corner lashes as well, which will really help like extend them even further. So mascara, I should see the mess in front of me right now. It's a problem. It's got to be my Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High Cosmic Black. This formula is my absolute favorite. It just gives so much length and so much volume. It doesn't smudge, doesn't transfer, doesn't flake. It is like literally mascara perfection. Every time I use it, I'm like, how is this like a drugstore product? Like, it just seems too good to be true kind of a thing. But I'm gonna load the lashes up with this, and then like I said, I might pop on some outer corner lashes just to really further elongate the eyes. Keep things really nice and sultry, but so far I think we're on the right track. I think. Okay, I chucked on those outer corner lashes. See how it like really like with that winged eyeliner. Oh, I really love the effect. Going back in with the mascara. Actually, you know what? We'll do the mascara on the lower lashes later because we'll conceal and we'll cream contour and we'll do everything first. Now, as far as concealer goes, my current favorite, the KVD. It's the Good Apple Concealer. This stuff literally, I just think it's incredible. I'm going to pop a little bit on the inner corner of my eyes. Oh, do you like how I said a little bit and then I just proceed to layer it on? Love that for you, Nikkia. Inner corner of the eyes, outer corner, a little bit on my nose. And I might do like maybe a little bit on my chin as well, just to give like a little bit of extra coverage. And then we'll quickly blend that out. I'm starting to get a little bit antsy because I'm running out of time. Do you know what's hilarious? Brandon went through a phase there of telling me, like, because we try to do date nights as often as we can kind of a thing. But he went through a stage there of telling me that dinner was booked half an hour earlier than it actually was, so that I was on time. And I was like, oh, okay, I see what you're trying to say. It was absolutely hilarious. He's so funny. But blend this all out. Oh, not like that concealer. Look at that. And I really like it too because it's so lightweight on the skin. I can't say anything. I can't give you any cons to that one other than the fact that it's reasonably expensive. If it was drugstore, she'd be a 10 out of 10, honestly. Cream contour, I'm using the She Glam. This product, this $5 product has seriously replaced all of my other cream contours. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. It blends better than anything else that I have. I just find that it lasts longer on the skin. It's more flattering. It's a really, really nice product. I'm sure that you've probably been seeing it all over TikTok. It's worth the hype. Absolutely worth the hype. We blend this one in. It's great too because you can blend it with a brush or a sponge. It's totally up to you. But look at that. Literally, it's like 2 seconds and it's perfect. And it leaves like this really beautiful airbrushed finish on the skin as well, which I love. I'm just going to take whatever's left on the sponge just to sort of lightly do the sides of my nose. I'm not going for anything like too harsh because obviously Brandon's going to be looking at me like this close. So I want everything to look, reasonably natural-ish. I mean, as much as I do natural, let's be real. The blush, I'm going to go with Rare Beauty. Oh, sorry. The She Glam I use in the shade Terracotta. And then the Rare Beauty blush, I'm using the shade Happy. And I love that its name is Happy. So I'm going to go 2 dots on each cheek there. And then just blending that in. Oh, honestly, all of these cream products together. It is giving me everything. That combo. All of these products, I swear, they're just made to be together. Now I'm going to set everything down, obviously, to keep it in place, lock it all down, locked and loaded. I'm going to use a little powder puff to do this. And down Nikkia Joy Cosmetics Velvet Finishing Powder. Like I have already told you before, she's back in stock, finally. Took us long enough, but she's finally back. And if you're eyeballing this, maybe just watch this space. Maybe just wait a couple weeks. Maybe. I don't know. Pushing that powder into the skin. Any texture that I had left. I mean, that foundation literally makes your skin look perfect anyway. But any texture that I did have left, this literally instantly eliminates. It just leaves everything looking so smooth and perfect. Yes, date night skin coming through. Back in with the mascara on the lower lash line just to finish off the eyes. It definitely makes it easier, to do your concealer and everything first. come back and apply your mascara last. And then lastly for the lips, I've got this little combo that I actually haven't tried before, but I feel confident in it. So it's MAC lip liner in the shade Whirl. It's a really pretty, it's kind of like a nude, but it's got like a little bit of a brown to it. It's really, really nice. I'm gonna do almost like a little bit of like an ombre lip. And then this here is one of the Hourglass Phantom Glossy Lip Balms. I literally have no words for this lip product, you guys. It's honestly insane. So it's a gloss, it's a lip plumper, and it's a color all in one. And the shade that I have here is Thrill. And it looks like quite red in the tube, but then it's more of like a sheer red. These have gone like insanely viral and for very, very good reason. Oh, I think this lip works perfectly with the red dress. It's like a sheer red lip. Like it's just enough color to be enough, and this amazing gloss, and I just feel like my lips look huge, which I think is very sultry for date night. I think the earrings are too much. I think it's better with just the necklace, especially because the dress has got like this beautiful cow neck feature. And honestly, I'm thinking that I'll leave the hair. Like I said, like Brandon likes it slightly tousled, slightly, I don't know, almost like a little bit lived in kind of vibe. But this is the finished look. I really, really enjoyed just hanging out with you guys, doing makeup for date night, just getting back to like our OG old school YouTube days. This was my favorite kind of videos to make always. I feel like YouTube's kind of in a weird place lately. And I would love to get it back to kind of what it used to be. But I hope you guys have really enjoyed hanging out with me. If you want to see like behind the scenes of our date night, come over and follow me on Instagram because I post everything on stories over there. But let me know what you think of the outfit. Let me know what you think of the makeup look. I'm really happy with how it turned out. Like I feel like it's like understated-ish, but also like boom, if that makes any sense. But I love you guys heaps. Give the video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Let me know if you want to see more Get Ready With Me's. And yeah, I'll catch you all in my next video.